Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove Invideo AI watermark. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to your browser and then you have to search for watermark remover. There will be some websites for you, but I recommend you to choose this one. I'm going to visit this one guys, and then I'm going to upload my file, photo or video from here. I'm going to click on open file, and then I'm going to choose the video I have just created with Invideo AI. Okay, this one guys, and I'm going to show you how we can remove the watermark, the Invideo AI watermark. We can select okay, you can select it like this, and you can adjust the size. Wait, okay, like this, and don't forget to click on apply. And this is the result guys.
Might have anxious attachment.
Okay, and as you can see guys, that the watermark has been removed from my video. I mean the Invideo AI watermark. And if you want to save it, you can click on save and choose the resolution and click on export. Okay guys, that's all the way to remove Invideo AI watermark. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.